How to buy $BIBI Token crypto coin. If you're looking to buy $BIBI, the Bibi token, you're in the right place. This guide will walk you through all the necessary steps to securely purchase $BIBI, a cryptocurrency token that's gaining popularity in the meme coin space. Whether you're a new investor or a seasoned trader, these instructions will help you buy $BIBI safely. Step 1. Set up a cryptocurrency wallet. Before you can buy $BIBI, you need a cryptocurrency wallet that supports ERC-20 or BEP-20 tokens, since $BIBI may be issued on Ethereum or Binance Smart Chain. Some recommended wallets include MetaMask, one of the most popular wallets for Ethereum and Binance Smart Chain tokens. Trust Wallet, a mobile-friendly wallet supporting both Ethereum and Binance Smart Chain. Coinbase Wallet, another user-friendly wallet with the ability to support multiple blockchain networks. Make sure to back up your recovery phrase and store it in a safe place. This is crucial for wallet recovery if you lose access to your account. Step 2. Buy Ethereum, ETH, or Binance Coin, BNB. Most likely, $BIBI is traded against ETH, Ethereum, or BNB, Binance Coin. Therefore, you'll need to buy one of these cryptocurrencies first if you don't already own any. You can buy ETH or BNB on major exchanges like Binance, Coinbase, Kraken, Gemini. Once you've bought ETH or BNB, transfer the funds to your wallet. Step 3. Connect your wallet to a decentralized exchange, DEX. Next, you'll need to connect your wallet to a decentralized exchange, DEX, where $BIBI is listed. Common DEX platforms that support Ethereum or Binance Smart Chain tokens are Uniswap for Ethereum-based tokens, PancakeSwap for Binance Smart Chain tokens. Here's how you can connect your wallet. Go to Uniswap for Ethereum or PancakeSwap for Binance Smart Chain. Click on Connect Wallet. Choose your wallet type, e.g., MetaMask, Trust Wallet, or Coinbase Wallet. Ensure your wallet is connected to the correct network, Ethereum for Uniswap or Binance Smart Chain for PancakeSwap. Step 4. Find $BIBI token. Once your wallet is connected to the DEX, search for $BIBI in the token list. If you can't find it, you'll need to manually input the contract address for the $BIBI token. You can find the correct contract address for $BIBI on the official $BIBI website, official social media channels like Twitter, Telegram, or Discord, trusted crypto data sites such as CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko. Warning: be cautious when entering a contract address manually. If you enter an incorrect address, you could end up purchasing the wrong token. Step 5. Make the purchase. After selecting $BIBI, follow these steps to make your purchase. Decide how much ETH or BNB you want to exchange for $BIBI. Review the transaction details, including the slippage tolerance and the network gas fees. Slippage tolerance is a setting that accounts for minor price fluctuations during your transaction. You may need to adjust it, usually to 1 to 3%. Gas fees are transaction fees that are necessary for processing the purchase on the blockchain. Confirm the transaction. Your wallet will prompt you to approve the transaction. Once you approve, the transaction will be processed and $BIBI will be sent to your wallet. Step 6. Store and track your $BIBI tokens. After the purchase is complete, you'll see $BIBI tokens in your wallet. You can track the value of $BIBI and stay updated on its performance through platforms like CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko, DEX tools. Remember, meme tokens like $BIBI can be highly volatile, so keep an eye on market movements. Important tips and warnings. Double-check the contract address. Always make sure you are using the correct contract address for $BIBI. There are many scam tokens out there, and entering the wrong address could lead to significant losses. Beware of scams. If something sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Stick to trusted sources and never share your private key or recovery phrase with anyone. Gas fees. When purchasing tokens on Ethereum-based DEXs like Uniswap, the gas fees can be higher. Ensure that you have enough ETH to cover these fees. Slippage tolerance. Some tokens may require a higher slippage tolerance due to volatility. Typically, setting the slippage to 1 to 3% should be enough. Security. Enable two-factor authentication, 2FA, for all your exchange accounts and wallets. Keep your wallet's private keys secure and never share them with anyone. Conclusion: buying $BIBI, the Bibi token, is a relatively simple process if you follow these steps carefully. Make sure to set up your wallet, purchase Ethereum or Binance Coin, connect to a DEX, and ensure you're using the correct contract address for $BIBI. As always, exercise caution and do your own research when trading cryptocurrencies, especially meme-based tokens. Happy trading and enjoy your journey in the world of crypto.